Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Stories by Angela, and I have something super duper special planned for us today. We have Christmas coming right up, and of course, what is the most definitive thing about Christmas? The Christmas roast. So today we're going to make a beautiful, luscious stuffed chicken roast. Are you excited? I definitely am. Let's get started.
To start with, we'll take 4 tablespoons of melted butter. In that, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs and salt to taste. And then we'll mix it all very nicely and our marinade is ready. Take 1 kg spring chicken with skin and gently rub our marinade all over it very well. Make sure to also get the marinade inside the skin so that the chicken gets flavored properly. We will leave our chicken to marinate for 3 to 4 hours. To prepare our stuffing, we'll take 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 large onion chopped. In this, we'll add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook it till it becomes slightly golden. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of mixed herb and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and salt to taste. Add 4 sausages sliced and 1 cup of diced apples and cook it all till it comes together. Add 1/4 cup of dry fruits and mix it well. Add in 4 slices of bread cut into little cubes. Add 1/4 cup of water and cook for 5 to 7 minutes till it all comes together beautifully. And our stuffing is ready. Take some of the stuffing in a different bowl and then put it inside the cavity of the chicken till it's full. Using a toothpick, close the cavity of the chicken. Layer onion and garlic on the roasting tray and place the chicken on top. Our chicken is ready to be roasted. We will place it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake it for 45 to 50 minutes till the juices come out clean.
And guys, here is my beautiful stuffed roast chicken, all ready to be carved during Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and of course follow the channel, like and comment on this video, and of course click on the bell icon below so that you get notified of any new video that comes up. For now, I'm signing off. Bye bye. Merry Christmas.